Today, we're going to be discussing one use case for Azure Relay Bridge by using this capability with remote desktop connections. azbridge is a tool that works with Azure Relay that enables secure and seamless connectivity between on-premises environments and Azure. With azbridge, businesses can easily scale their solutions and maintain compatibility with their existing network configurations. Let's dive into the key capabilities of azbridge. First, azbridge supports multi-platforms to include Windows, macOS, Docker, and Linux environments, making it a versatile tool for hybrid connections. Second, azbridge is firewall-friendly, meaning it allows secure connections without complex firewall adjustments, enhancing security and simplifying setup. Finally, azbridge offers scalable solutions suitable for small or large-scale integrations, allowing businesses to adapt as their needs grow. So, why use azbridge specifically for RDP connections? By leveraging azbridge, we can set up RDP access securely without needing public IPs on our virtual machines, reducing security risks. Additionally, azbridge provides low-latency connection, making remote access efficient and responsive. This setup is ideal for environments where security and performance are paramount. Here's an overview of how we set up azbridge for an RDP connection. After we have set up our hybrid connection, the next step is to install and configure azbridge on our local computer, where we have configured our YAML file for the local forward and enable the client config to run. Then we set up the remote forward config and started the server config on the remote destination. From our local machine, we're now going to demonstrate establishing a remote connection. First, ensure that you have a hybrid connection set up. Next, we'll run a proof of concept to confirm that our remote desktop connection fails under certain conditions. Without the Azure Relay Bridge running, you'll notice from our application that the connection attempt fails, as expected. Since we did not have azbridge running, we are unable to connect remotely. We will now start azbridge, and as you can see on the left, we have our YAML file local forward configured. Now that we have azbridge running, we will reattempt the connection. After we enter the password, you will get a prompt showing that we are able to use remote desktop protocol. We are now securely connected with our remote desktop. We can see once again the YAML file on the remote desktop with the remote forward configured and that Azure Relay Bridge is running. As part of this proof of concept, let's explore the responsiveness of azbridge. We'll navigate to the Microsoft.com website and observe how effectively our interface performs in real time. As you can see, azbridge successfully is able to use hybrid connections in order to operate a remote desktop. This is one of the many utilizations of azbridge that you can have in your network. To wrap up, azbridge offers secure, efficient access to Azure-hosted resources, which makes it an ideal choice for hybrid applications. It's especially beneficial for scenarios requiring both high security and reliable performance. For next steps, if you're interested in setting up azbridge for your own use cases, visit the GitHub repo for more details on azbridge and its full capabilities. Also, make sure to stop by and view our tech blog on azbridge, as well as visit our documentation on Azure Relay and its uses with hybrid connections. The links will also be posted in the comments below.